So here you'll see we've got our scan data on the screen. Again, our workflow here is on the left side, and we've got check marks next to each stage that has data within it. You'll also see that the holes are highlighted in blue based on the settings that we addressed earlier. Now, for the sake of this demonstration right now, we're going to talk about the measure tool. Any tool that you want to utilize, you're just going to hover over those tools, and an explanation again will pop up right here in the middle of the screen. I'm going to take my cursor down, and with my left click on my mouse, I'm going to select Use Measurement Tool. Okay, so what I do now, you'll see as I move my cursor across the model, it's almost a little crosshair there where I can go ahead and mark the area that I would like to measure. Let's say for the sake of this little demonstration, I want to do maybe the Bolton ratio. I want to understand the height and width of the teeth in relation to each other. I can go ahead here and mark at the base of the gingiva right there and on the incisal edge. Now it's going to draw a line, between the two marks that I marked on the model. If you take your cursor up here to the upper right hand corner, this is where the measurement is actually displayed. Okay, so that can obviously be documented or written down, but what I advise in a situation like this is utilize the screenshot here at the very bottom of your screen. By clicking the screenshot, I'm going to bring my cursor over here to the lower left-hand corner, open that up. You'll see the selected area that I measured and the screenshot. So if I wanted to send this on to my laboratory for whatever reason, they wanted to know measurements of a certain area. If as a clinician, I just wanted to understand specific movements or spaces between the teeth and so forth, I can make the measurement, screenshot it, and you can take multiple screenshots here, and you would actually just select those or flip through them as you chose to. These screenshots are saved with the case. So I'm going to go ahead and close out here. Again, you'll see the screenshot over here on the left hand side. As we process this case right here, finalize scans, the screenshots will be saved with the case and sent to the laboratory with the case scan data and the PDF of the RX form. However, I can also pull those screenshots with the measurement details as I need to and send them on, whether it was for insurance purposes and so forth. Any tool that you select here at the bottom of the screen, you'll just click on it there to deselect it, or as you press the start button on your scanner, it will also deselect those tools. Okay.